Hey Carla, so I just got this email to download the app for the next YUSA National Conference. Have you used this app before?
Yeah, it's great. It has all the information about the conference, and it's actually really useful for networking and engaging in session content. Here, can I show you some of the features?
Sure.
After you log in, it's really easy to set up your profile. Then add your photo. And then you'll just complete your profile so people can find you and connect.
So my profile's set up. What's next? Can I see who else is at the conference?
Yes. Tap the Attendees button and you'll see everyone who's registered for the event. You can search by name, YMCA name, and title. Tap on their name for networking options like messaging, exchanging contact information, and even setting up a meeting.
Awesome, so now I can connect with people before the event starts? So what about a schedule of when things are happening?
Just tap the Schedule button. The default view shows everything that's going on, but if you want to only see the sessions you're registered for, you can tap My Schedule. Also, you can tap a session name for more info, including room location, a description, and the speakers. You can also tap Note to jot down your thoughts about a session, a reminder to receive an alert about the session start, Bookmark so you can find the session easily later, or Photo to post a photo from the session. And then just tap this arrow to post a photo to the activity feed or share with others.
I didn't realize there was so many features on the session pages. I think that'll actually be really helpful to remember which sessions I liked and why.
Exactly. Oh, and here's another useful area. Check out My Items on the menu. This is where you can quickly access all the info that is personal to you that we just talked about. Your schedule, messages, appointments, contacts, and notes. And if there's an arrow like this, you'll have the option to either share or download info, like your contacts, straight to your phone.
Very nice. This app is way more helpful than I realized. Is there anything else I should know?
The biggest lesson for me was to just start using it. Post photos and learnings on the activity feed, respond to other people's posts, take notes on the sessions, and network. The app stays live for a while after the conference, so you can still engage with other attendees. And there is so much more to the app than what I just showed you. So take some time to dig into all the content and features. And don't be afraid to just explore and start pressing buttons. You won't break anything.
I'll try not to.